Hi everyone, this is just a quick change to one of the videos because somebody has asked me for the imperial measurements rather than the metric. So this is for the panel card, and you can watch the full video, which I will link to this one. So watch that through, and then these are your alternative measurements if you wish to do in inches. So the inner card we cut 11.5 by 8. That's slightly smaller than A4. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is to draw a line on the back of your card, and we're doing it 1.5 inches down and 1.5 inches up. Do it in pencil, but this isn't going to be seen. Okay. Right. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some score lines. So we're scoring down to the first line that you've drawn. So we're going to score down at 3.5, 5 3/4 and 8. But we also need to score upwards to the line, the same measurements, 3.5, 5 3/4 and 8. Then we need to score the centre panel. So we're going to score that 1 3/4, 3, 5 3/4, 8.5 and 9 3/4. You'll notice this one is a halfway point and it goes right the way through. Okay. Then we need to do a little bit of cutting, and it's along the line we've drawn, but from the first score line to the last. And again, the same on here. This releases this centre panel to fold differently to the one above. Okay, you'll see in the original video how to fold it. Okay, and then we need to design panels to go on all the pieces. You can leave some of them blank. You can do texture on some of them. It's entirely up to you, but you'll see examples in the video. So if we look here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 identical panels, and I cut those 1 1/4 by 3 1/4. We've got another 4 identical, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1 1/4 by 2. Right. Then we go to this centre panel, and we've got 1.5 by 4 3/4, 1 inch by 4 3/4, and 2.5 by 4 3/4. And you need 2 of those because this one matches this one and this one. Okay, so there's all the panels done. Now the easy way of doing it is to cut 1 1/4 inch strip right through, and another 1 1/4 inch strip right through, and make this centre panel 4 3/4. You can then simply cut off the measurements you need, because if you look at this, it's an A4 sheet. So if you were doing all panels the same, you could get everything out of one sheet. Okay, so it's very economical, but it really does look startling when you've done it. Okay, so have fun and do watch the 2 videos together if you want the imperial measurements. God bless.